Welcome back, welcome back. Another day, another dollar! Another day of mini madness. While I've been at work, Dad has sourced some bolts and installed the mount, which is good. It's looking really nice. Nice clean bolts. We've also managed to organise the garage a bit, getting everything sorted. Oh no, the list has fallen over. Right, we've got a new list. The old one was getting messy, so I thought we'd clean it up. We've got a new list. Here we go. The fuel pump, the fuel system, steering column, steering linkage, front rail install, and the rest as we go. Not too much left to go. Nearly there, closer than we were before. So I think we're going to tackle the pedal box now. Here are the new pedals here. And what we've noticed is, so here we are, new pedals here. And what we've noticed is this fella, this bracket here, looks awfully like these holes, which means we're going to proceed to take off this guy and install this guy. So we'll get on it. Alright, we're on to the last one here. Doing rather successfully. Dad's here on the outside. I'm on the inside holding the bolt.
It's hard work, you know.
Alright, we're going in here now.
Okay, come on.
Nope, it's spinning in my ratchet. Hold on. Oh, hold on. This one. No. Thank you. There you go, I'm on it now, yeah.
We good?
Yeah, we're good. Alright, it is now off and we shall start putting the other one on. Oh boy. Well, I'm sitting here editing these videos from 3 years ago and we either lose footage or we forget to film the end of a video. When we're working on the car, there's like this focus of working on the car, remembering to film and all that. But again, this was 3 years ago, so lots has changed since then. I have to make a decision here. Do I cut all this footage out? Do I snap it to the beginning of the next video? Or do I put in a little snippet right now and make a new ending? Yep, the video in the timeline here, this is us putting the pedal box in before David arrives the following day to help us install the engine, which is next video. Yeah, the pedal box in, not the reservoirs, but the pedal box is in, and there was some other tinkering we did, obviously 3 years ago. Don't really remember. Didn't get it on camera, or I lost the footage. So here it is. So this is the end of the video, unfortunately. But stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for viewing.